There are a lot of projectors out there, but not all of them are built for serious performance in large spaces. This one is clearly designed with that in mind. The ViewSonic LS740HD is a 1080p laser projector pushing out 5,500 lumens, and right away that brightness level changes everything about how and where you can use it. In environments where lighting control is limited, like classrooms or conference rooms, brightness becomes the most important factor. And here, the output is strong enough to keep everything visible and sharp without needing to dim the lights. Presentations stay readable, colors remain punchy, and video content still looks engaging even during daytime use. Resolution also plays a big role here. Full HD at 1080p means the image holds detail really well. Whether it's text-heavy slides, spreadsheets, or high-definition video, everything looks clean and well-defined. There's no softness or distortion that you sometimes get with lower-resolution projectors. It's the kind of clarity that works equally well for business presentations and educational content. One of the biggest advantages of this model is the laser light source. Compared to traditional lamp-based projectors, laser technology brings consistency and longevity. The brightness doesn't drop off quickly over time, and there's far less maintenance involved. You don't have to think about replacing bulbs frequently, which makes it a practical option for high-usage environments. Flexibility is another area where this projector stands out. The 1.3x optical zoom makes it easier to adjust the screen size without physically moving the unit. That alone can save time during setup. Add in horizontal and vertical keystone correction along with four-corner adjustment, and you get precise control over the image shape. Even if the projector is slightly off-center or angled, it's easy to correct the image and make it look perfectly aligned. Then there's the 360-degree projection capability, which really expands how this projector can be used. It's not limited to a standard front-facing setup. You can mount it in different orientations or use it in more creative configurations without compromising performance. This is especially useful in larger venues or unique room layouts where traditional positioning isn't ideal. Connectivity is straightforward and reliable, with multiple input options including HDMI. Connecting laptops, media devices, or other sources is quick and hassle-free. Switching between inputs is smooth, so you can move from one presentation to another without interruptions. That's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in real-world use, especially in professional settings. Another key benefit is durability. This projector is built for consistent use over long periods. Whether it's running daily in a classroom or handling back-to-back presentations in an office, it maintains performance without requiring constant adjustments. The laser engine ensures stable brightness and color output, which means what you see on day one is very close to what you'll see months down the line. In terms of real-world applications, this projector fits perfectly into multiple roles. In education, it's powerful enough to display content clearly for large groups of students. In business environments, it keeps presentations sharp and professional. And in auditoriums, it delivers the brightness needed to fill bigger screens without losing detail. It's designed to adapt to different needs without sacrificing quality. Setting it up is also pretty straightforward. The combination of zoom, keystone adjustments, and corner correction helps you dial in the image quickly. You don't need complicated calibration or extra tools to get a clean projection. Everything is built to make the process efficient, so you can focus on the content instead of the setup. Overall, this projector brings together high brightness, reliable full HD clarity, flexible installation options, and long-term durability. It's built for environments where performance matters and downtime isn't an option. Whether it's for teaching, presenting, or large-scale display, it handles the job with confidence. If upgrading to a brighter, more reliable projection system is on your list, this model is definitely worth considering. For those interested in getting this projector, the link is available in the description below.